What's up, everybody in Metal Nation land? This is Joe Morris at Jmoto Gallery, and this is Bike Feature of the Week. Start off with the air cleaner. That is off of a 1940s boat horn. Now our velocity stack and air cleaner. Note we had to retune this thing because we also put in a racing exhaust, and it actually has ceramic coating underneath. This was a Rush racing exhaust that we had sitting around. We threw it on, put these cool little copper accents on there in our legs and whatnot, and it looks cool. Up here is what I call my doodle art and my frustration over the winter. Floorboards made from passenger street glides. Sick Nick fabbed a rose for Hodge's suicide shift. And if you can't figure out how to shift a suicide shift, we even wrote on here the shift pattern. One back, neutral, second, third, and fourth, forward. Probably took me 2 weeks maybe to complete all the paint on here. We call this bike Sporty named Sue. Check it out.